To find the Phantom Wallet extension, start by opening a web browser such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Phantom Wallet is a digital wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive Solana cryptocurrency and other digital assets. First, navigate to the Chrome Web Store or the Mozilla Firefox add-ons store. Depending on the browser you are using, you can do this by typing the URL into the address bar or by searching for it in your browser's search function. Once you are in the store, type Phantom Wallet into the search bar and press enter. This will bring up a list of search results, and the official Phantom Wallet extension should be at the top of the list. Click on the Phantom Wallet result, and you will be taken to the extensions page. Here, you can read more about the extension, its features, and reviews from other users. To install the extension, click the Add to Browser button. You will be prompted to confirm the installation, and once you do, the extension will be added to your browser. Alternatively, you can also find the Phantom Wallet extension on the Phantom website. Simply navigate to the Phantom website, click on the Download button, and follow the prompts to install the extension. It is essential to ensure that you are installing the extension from a trusted source to avoid any potential security risks. Always verify the authenticity of the extension and read reviews from other users before installing it. After installing the Phantom Wallet extension, you can access it by clicking on the extension icon in your browser's toolbar. From here, you can create a new wallet, restore an existing one, or access other features and settings. By following these steps, you can easily find and install the Phantom Wallet extension, and start using it to manage your Solana cryptocurrency and other digital assets.